The days following the passing of Prophet Muhammad were marked by grief, confusion, and a series of events that would deeply shape Islamic history. Among these was a tragic incident at the door of Lady Fatima, an event that left a lasting scar on the hearts of believers. Let us journey through the sequence of events that led to this heartbreaking moment. On Monday, the 28th of Safar, in the 11th year after Hijrah, Prophet Muhammad was martyred. His departure left the Muslim community in deep mourning, but that night, plans were set into motion that would divide the community forever. While the Prophet's family prepared for his burial, a meeting took place at Saqifa, where a faction of the community made decisions regarding leadership without consulting the Ahlulbayt. After the Prophet's burial on Tuesday night, the first attempt to demand allegiance from Banu Hashim occurred. This was a tense moment. Imam Ali, grieving the loss of his prophet and cousin, refused to pledge allegiance, prioritizing his duty to Islam above all else. In the days that followed, Imam Ali dedicated himself to an extremely important task, the compilation of the Quran. The Prophet had entrusted him with arranging the Quran in the order of its revelation, preserving its divine context. Working day and night, Imam Ali completed this task in a matter of days, a monumental contribution to the preservation of Islam's sacred text. While compiling the Quran, Imam Ali and Lady Fatima reached out to the Prophet's companions. They visited their homes, seeking allegiance for Imam Ali's rightful leadership. But despite their efforts, the response was disheartening. Their refusal reflected the growing divisions within the Muslim community, further isolating the Ahlulbayt. After completing the Quran's compilation, Imam Ali presented the book to the companions, explaining its arrangement according to revelation. Tragically, this divine compilation made by the Imam was rejected with the argument that it did not align with the political needs of the time. Then came the darkest day. On Sunday, the 5th of Rabiul Awwal, forces arrived at Lady Fatima's door to demand allegiance from Imam Ali. And what followed was an attack that would forever be etched in the hearts of Muslims. This was not just an attack on a household, it was an attack on the very heart of Islam. Lady Fatima, the beloved daughter of the Prophet, suffered injuries that would lead to her martyrdom. The tragedy symbolized the struggles faced by the Ahlulbayt in preserving the true essence of Islam. Scholars like Sheikh Abdul Zahra Mahdi have analyzed these events extensively. He outlines 3 possible timelines, ranging from 1 week to 10 days after the Prophet's passing. The most likely scenario places the attack on Lady Fatima's door on Sunday, just a week after the Prophet's departure. This timeline aligns with the context of Imam Ali's Quranic compilation, emphasizing its importance in understanding the unfolding events. The tragedy at Lady Fatima's door is a reminder of the trials faced by those who stood firm for truth. Her courage, patience, and extraordinary faith continue to inspire generations.